Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 5 plants for your bedroom to help you sleep better. If you have trouble sleeping at night, you should know that it is a common condition, often caused by fast-paced lifestyles and stress. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, sleep deprivation is a common health issue and numerous people spend a lot of money to solve it. Many of them try meditation and relaxation techniques, natural remedies, banana teas, better mattresses, and various other ways to set enough sleep during the night. But unfortunately, only a few of them succeed in it. Yet there is another thing that you may not have tried it yet. Have you ever considered the beneficial effects of plants in the bedroom? Here are some of the benefits of keeping specific plants in your bedroom, the names of which I will narrate later in the video. Just stay with me till the end. Headache relief, reduced anxiety, better smell, improved mood, reduced stress, improved brain function, cold illness prevention, better sleep, better air quality. One study conducted by NASA showed calming and cleansing effects of plants on the environment. Numerous people are not aware of the fact that the air quality greatly affects the quality of their sleep and thus their overall health. Numerous diseases and illnesses are caused by mold and airborne contaminants. The addition of indoor plants will purify the air and treat various symptoms you may have experienced for years before. These are the top 5 plants you can have in the bedroom and can significantly change your sleep and vibes in the room. Number 1. English ivy plant. This is a classy but easy to grow plant and NASA listed it as the most powerful air cleansing plant you can have in the home. It is especially useful in the case of asthma or breathing issues. It also reduces airborne mold by up to 94%, and since these contaminants are the main cause of asthma, allergies, and breathing problems, this plant will improve the quality of your sleep and also treat such health issues. Number 2. Lavender plant. You may have used the numerous beneficial effects of lavender essential oil, but only a few are aware of the properties of the lavender plant itself. It reduces stress and anxiety, improves sleep, treats slow heart rate, and even reduces the crying in babies. Number 3. Snake plant. This plant is easy to grow and is great for decoration. It filters the oxygen and thus enhances the atmosphere in the room. Studies have shown that it also treats respiratory issues, headaches, eye irritations, and also boosts productivity. Number 4. Jasmine plant. This exotic plant significantly improves the sleep quality and boosts the productivity and alertness during the following day. You will lower stress and experience calmness just by smelling it. Number 5. Aloe vera plant. This amazing indoor plant provides innumerable health benefits and is easy to be kept alive. It emits oxygen during the night and thus treats insomnia and enhances the quality of sleep. Also known as the plant of immortality, aloe vera is easily reproduced. Therefore, spread it all around your home and experience its optimal effects. The purer the air in your home, the better you will sleep at night and the healthier and more productive you will become during the day. Hence, choose your favorite plants and enrich your home. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.